Can you call me at 5? Really? Really? It's nice to meet you. What are you thinking about? How are you doing? I like football, basketball, tennis, and golf. I left work, came home, and had dinner. Do you want the blue one or the black one? Is his name Matthew or Michael? I need to talk to you. Black and white. Let's go for a walk. I can do it. You can do it. We can do it. I'll call you as soon as I can. I'm leaving on Monday or Tuesday. Can I come in? Yes, come on in. The door is open. She's single and she's so happy. I'm married and I'm miserable. Pop music. Good book.